Hey everyone, in this quicktech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to password protect a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. This is useful if you have confidential work files or just personal worksheets that you don't want to get in the wrong hands. To get started, open the spreadsheet that you would like to password protect. Next, head to File and then Info. Here, click the Protect Workbook box and then select Encrypt with Password. Enter the password that you would like to use and click OK. Enter the password again to confirm and OK again. You now see the Protect Workbook is highlighted and it says a password is required to open. Save by going to File and Save, and your Excel spreadsheet is now password protected. And you can see now if I close the file and reopen, I now get a password prompt. To remove the password, just go back to File and then Info, select the Protect Workbook button, and again choose Encrypt with Password. This time just delete the password out and hit OK. You will then see the Protect Workbook box unhighlights, and when we save and close and then reopen, we are no longer prompted for the password. And that's how you password protect a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.